2026 is already shaping up to be a massive year for smartphones, and one device that's quietly building serious hype is the Pixel 11 Pro XL. Even though the official launch is still months away, early leaks and rumors are painting a very interesting picture. On the surface, the design may not change much, but under the hood, some major upgrades could make this phone stand out in a big way. There are 3 rumored features in particular that could completely change how people look at Pixel phones again. The first big upgrade is the display, and it's not just a small improvement. Reports suggest that the Pixel 11 Pro XL could feature Samsung's brand new M16 OLED panel. This is a big deal because display quality is one of the most noticeable aspects of any smartphone. Compared to the current M14 panels used in many flagship devices, the M16 is expected to be brighter, more power efficient, and more accurate when it comes to colors. That means better visibility under direct sunlight, deeper contrast, and more natural-looking visuals whether watching videos, scrolling social media, or gaming. Outdoor visibility has always been a challenge for many smartphones, but this new panel could make a real difference. Brightness improvements could make the screen easier to read even in harsh sunlight, which is something users notice every single day. At the same time, better power efficiency means the display will consume less battery. Since the screen is one of the biggest battery users in any phone, even small improvements here can lead to noticeable gains in battery life. So this upgrade is not just about looks, it also helps performance in daily use. If these rumors turn out to be true, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could easily have one of the best displays on any smartphone in 2026. The second major upgrade is performance and hardware, and this is where things get really interesting. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to be powered by the new Tensor G6 chip, built on a 2-nanometer process. This is a big step forward. A smaller chip size usually means better performance and improved efficiency. In simple terms, the phone should feel faster while also using less battery. Apps could open quicker, multitasking could feel smoother, and overall performance should be more consistent. But what makes Tensor chips different is their focus on AI. The Tensor G6 is expected to take AI capabilities to the next level. That means smarter features across the system, better voice recognition, improved photo processing, and more advanced on-device intelligence. Security is also getting a boost with the rumored Titan M3 chip. This chip works at the hardware level to protect sensitive data like passwords, biometrics, and personal information. In a time where digital security matters more than ever, this is a very important addition. Another key improvement could come from the modem. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to switch to a MediaTek M90 modem, replacing the older Exynos-based solution. This change could finally fix one of the biggest complaints users have had with previous Pixel devices: connectivity. Better signal strength, more stable connections, and improved call quality could make a noticeable difference in everyday use. Whether streaming, gaming, or just making calls, a strong and reliable connection is something every user expects from a flagship phone. Combined together, the new chip, improved security, and better modem could make the Pixel 11 Pro XL one of the most well-rounded and reliable devices in terms of performance. The third and final feature is all about the camera, and this is where Pixel phones have always had a strong reputation. This time, the focus is on zoom. Rumors suggest that the Pixel 11 Pro XL could feature a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, replacing the 48-megapixel sensor found in the previous model. While not all sources fully confirm this yet, the potential upgrade sounds very exciting. The biggest change would be the jump from 5x optical zoom to 10x optical zoom. This is a huge improvement. Optical zoom maintains image quality because it uses the actual lens. Unlike digital zoom, which can reduce clarity, with 10x optical zoom, capturing distant subjects would become much sharper and more detailed. Whether taking photos of buildings, wildlife, or events from far away, the difference would be clearly visible. On top of that, the phone is expected to support up to 100x AI zoom. While extreme zoom levels are not always used daily, they can still be useful in certain situations. More importantly, improved AI processing could help maintain better quality even at higher zoom levels. Pixel phones are already known for their camera software, and combining that with upgraded hardware could push things even further. Better zoom, improved detail, and smarter image processing could make this one of the best camera systems available. Zoom photography has become a key feature in modern smartphones, and having a powerful telephoto lens is no longer optional for a flagship device. If these upgrades are real, the Pixel 11 Pro XL will take a big step forward in this area. Overall, even though the design may stay familiar, these internal upgrades could make a huge difference. A brighter and more efficient display, a powerful new chip with advanced AI, better connectivity, and a significantly improved zoom camera. All of these together create a very strong package. If these rumors hold true, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could easily become one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026 and a serious competitor in the flagship market. That's everything for now. Stay tuned for more updates as new leaks continue to come in. And if this kind of content is interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech updates.